back. Today we are making a Dutch oven recipe. If you have a big family, this is for you. Stay tuned. It's going to be making a lot of food. Recipes down in the description box, along with miscellaneous kitchen items, along with the Dutch oven itself for your convenience. So let's go start this dish and put it together. Okay, we have our Dutch oven. I'm going to take the lid off. And we are going to add 1 pound of hot sausage. Just like that. Now while you're doing this, you can cook up 1 pound of rigatoni pasta. And then just cook it and drain it and put it off to the side. I actually have that already done. So we're going to chop this up. And we're going to cook this down. So that's one side of the other side, we're going to add 1 onion chopped. And we're going to let this over medium heat. We'll let this start to cook down. Okay, this is almost done. And now we are about to add some more stuff. We're not going to drain this. This isn't beef. The sausage should be fine. So 1 package of frozen broccoli. I'll cool it off a little bit. But we'll mix this up. And we're going to make sure everything is cooked still. Meantime, this will give a chance for the broccoli to soften up and thaw out. Okay, I've been cooking this down for probably about 15 minutes now. So the main objective is to make sure all the pink is gone from the sausage. Now there's a little red pepper in there that was in with the sausage, so obviously that's not pink. And to make sure the broccoli has unfrozen itself, it's thawed out. Okay, because now we're going to cool it back down and then heat it back up. So we got 1 can of chicken broth, 15-ounce can. We're going to add that. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. This is the Celtic sea salt. Links in the description for that. And garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon. And we are going to mix this all up and let this heat right back up before we add some more ingredients. Okay, we have it up to temp. Just a little boiling going on. It's perfectly fine. So now we have a can of great white northern beans. And what we're going to do is I strained them just a little bit. You get a lot of that paste out of there. And then we have a can of pinto beans. I just took a lot of the water out. I didn't strain them. And we're just going to mix this all up. Make sure this is evenly mixed. Okay, this is mixed. We have one more ingredient, and that's the rigatoni. So I'm going to slowly add this and mix it. This is going to be a whole pound. Okay, I have the pound of pasta in there. I have pretty much all of them coated with the juices from this dish we added earlier, and I'm just going to cover this up and let this cook down 15-20 minutes until that sauce gets nice and thick. Okay, I cooked it for about 15-20 minutes. It's really thickened up nice, as you can see. This just looks and smells amazing right here. Oh, just look at that. We got broccoli, hot sausage, rigatonis, pinto beans, northern beans. Just look at that amazing dish. All right, let's give it a try. I'm not topping it with anything. All that, the chicken broth is really coming out there. Oh yeah, a little bit of spice from the sausage, very nice. Now you don't have to use hot sausage. This just spicy it up a little bit. You can use sweet sausage, and you can add, you know, when I added the salt in the pot, you can add some pepper. You can add some black pepper with it too. The reason for the big pasta, you want to keep big pastas. This will probably go good with like the bigger shells. Not the stuffing shells, but like the large shells, because this really softened up. The rigatoni softened up. So you want something more meatier. Thick sauce is usually good with thick pasta, big pasta. Thin sauce, good with thin pasta like angel hair. So, until next time, this is Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.